Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Coco. Today I'm turning my nails from this to this. So if you're interested, keep watching. So my nails look pretty bad and I've been chipping away at this polish for a while now. So I'm gonna remove this with a drill. You can find this on Amazon and I'll link everything that I can down below. But I'm just removing the polish with this first. Okay, so I got the polish off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and push back my cuticles. Now I'm gonna use this drill head thing. I don't know the names, but I'm gonna use this to go underneath the cuticles and around the edge, just to get any extra cuticle and kind of separate the cuticle from my nail. And I'm using the cuticle pusher to further do that and lift them up. And with these cuticle scissors, I'm gonna go ahead and gently remove my cuticles. You kind of want to try to do this in one piece so you don't have like raggedy cuticles. Now I'm using a cuticle softener before I go ahead and buff my cuticles. I'm sorry, I don't know the names of these drill bits, but this one's like an oval shape one, I don't know. But I'm gonna use this on the lowest setting on my drill and go around the cuticle and underneath also, just to buff things out and smooth any, dryness and all that. And this is what it should look like once you remove the cuticles. So now what I'm doing is I'm just filing the free edge of my nail. I'm gonna wipe my nails with some alcohol. I've already washed my hands, but just in case, I'm using some alcohol. So from this nail extension kit, I'm using the top coat and the base coat because they're really strong, and I'm using a prolific curing lamp, but I'm doing 2 coats of the base coat just so I have good foundation there. And I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds. And now I'm gonna do 1 coat of the top coat. And I also cure this for 30 seconds. Now I'm just taking this file and I'm gonna rough up the nail bed so that once we apply our fake nails, they stick a lot better. I'm using these nails from Kiss. So I've measured out all of the nails that I need, and I'm gonna go ahead and start sticking them on. So here I'm just roughing up the nail bed of the fake nails so when we put our gel polish, it sticks a lot better. Also, I'm just filing the edges to keep it really nice and straight. Now I've washed my hands and we are ready for polish. And this polish is the Artistic Color Gloss in the color La Ti Da. Oh, and by the way, I'm doing about 3 coats of this just to get it very opaque. And I cured this color for about 60 seconds each coat. And this is after the 3 coats. I'm just gonna go ahead and do 1 coat of the top gel coat. and I cured that for 30 seconds. Now my nails aren't crusty no more, girl. I'm looking all cute. I'm just putting some rosehip oil on my cuticles because that's what they do at the salon. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. By the way, I'm not a nail tech, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. But you know, this is what I do for myself, you know. Alright guys, be safe out there and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.